There's something about stepping into a space that's completely out of control. It's overwhelming but also, strangely invigorating. This isn't just any room. It's a canvas of chaos, waiting for the transformation that makes our brains light up with satisfaction. Our brains are wired for order. When we tackle a messy space, our reward system lights up, releasing dopamine with every swipe of the cloth or dusting motion. This isn't just about making things look better. It's about restoring control and calm to our environment. When you pick up that first crumpled piece of paper, your brain doesn't just register the action, it celebrates it. That tiny moment isn't just
repetitive tasks like folding laundry or wiping surfaces aren't just chores, they're meditative rituals that rewire our brains for satisfaction. Each deliberate motion, be it a dust rag gliding over a shelf or clothes being neatly stacked, triggers a subtle dopamine response, turning routine work into something almost hypnotic. Imagine stepping into a cluttered room. Your mind races with the weight of disarray. Now picture that same space, transformed, where every surface gleams and nothing is out of place. Studies show this isn't just about aesthetics, it's about mental clarity. A clean environment rewires our brains, reducing stress and boosting focus. The act of cleaning itself being a form of therapy, turning chaos into order one deliberate